you ever wondered how ordinary people are making hundreds of dollars every single day just by posting simple reels on Instagram or TikTok? No product to ship, no inventory to manage, and no complicated ads. What if I told you that with only a basic editing program and a few smart steps, you could do the same? Today, I'm going to reveal a strategy that's considered one of the easiest and most practical ways to make money online. In fact, if you stay until the end of this video, you'll see exactly how this method works and how you can start applying it for yourself. Let me show you a real example. Here's an account that earns more than $100 per day using this exact strategy. On May 21st, this person posted not one, not two, but 4 reels in a single day. Together, those reels reached around 40,000 views. And here's where it gets interesting. In the bio of that account, there's a website link. When you click it, you find just 2 offers. An ebook priced at $10, a coaching session priced at $25. That means the average earning per customer is about $17. Now let's do the math. If only 5% of the people who watch those reels click the link, that's 1,980 targeted visitors in one day. And if only 2% of those visitors purchased, that's 39 sales. Multiply that by $17 and you get $673 in just one day, and this is only the conservative estimate. The actual earnings could be even higher depending on engagement. And here's the best part. The method is much simpler than you might think. He isn't making complicated tutorials or long videos. Instead, he uses a hook, a short attention-grabbing clip to pull viewers in, and then shares valuable product ideas for people who want to succeed in dropshipping. That's the entire core of his strategy. But here's something most people miss. There are hidden steps and small tricks that actually make this profitable. For example, instead of relying only on Instagram, there's another traffic source that works even better, where you can post the exact same videos and double your earnings. So, if you want to learn how to create short, powerful reels that capture attention and go viral, how to apply this strategy to consistently earn $100 or more every single day through affiliate marketing, and how to discover the secret traffic source that can multiply your results even further, then watch this video all the way until the end, because I'm about to break it all down, step by step. But first, before we get into the details, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell set to all, so you never miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Now let's dive in. As I mentioned earlier, we're not going to profit directly from dropshipping. Instead, we'll profit through affiliate marketing of dropshipping related offers. Why? Because dropshipping is a massive niche. Millions of people around the world want to start their own online store, but most of them don't know how or where to begin. And that's exactly the audience we're going to serve. Step 1. Choosing the affiliate offers. You can work with platforms like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digistore, 2, 4, and many others. Each of these has multiple dropshipping related offers. Personally,
okay, so I'm going to use this video here for the example. So we'll click on it and then we can go to free download. We can then choose the quality here and click download, and that should then start downloading to Canva. So once you've got it downloaded, you want to head over to canva.com and you can then drag it onto Canva and upload that file. So now I'm going to drag this video in and it's going to snap on place. And I'm going to replace this text and say something like, the best diet to lose weight is ... Then we're going to make that text a little bit bigger. Now we can go ahead and make this clip a bit shorter because we don't need it to be 8 seconds long. Best diet to lose weight is, and it's going to fade into another slide. So now we can grab another video. So I'm going to grab this video here of someone pouring a smoothie. And then I'm going to change this to the smoothie diet link in bio. Now you can make your shorts more informative than that.
I recommend ClickBank because it has a very strong product called SaleWho. This offer can pay up to $193 per customer in commissions. But here's where it gets really powerful. Instead of promoting just the main SaleWho affiliate link, we can generate separate links for each of SaleWho's services. That way, each customer might subscribe to 1, 2, or even all of the services, which means that from a single client, you could earn over $300 in commissions. That's why this offer is one of the best starting points. Step 2. Creating a landing page. Once you have your affiliate links, the next step is to create a professional looking page where you can display all your offers in one place. For this, we'll use a free tool called Bio Link. It's simple, easy to use, and gives you a clean design that looks professional. This page is what you'll link to in your Instagram or TikTok bio. Step 3. Setting up social media accounts. Now we need to create and warm up our accounts on Instagram and TikTok because these are the fastest platforms to reach targeted buyers. users. If you live in Western countries like the US, Canada, or Europe, you can just use your normal browser to set up accounts. But if you live in Arab countries, there's one big challenge. Platforms like TikTok use geolocation, so your content will mostly be shown to local users in your region. And let's be honest, that's not where the strongest buying audience island. That's why we need to use an anti-detect browser like multi-login. This tool allows you to create accounts that look like they're based in the US, Canada, or Europe. So your reels reach people who are actually ready to buy. Step 4. Warming up the accounts. This is a step most beginners skip, and it's the reason their accounts get flagged as spam. After creating new accounts, don't post immediately. Spend 2-3 days warming them up. That means watching reels in your niche, liking posts, leaving comments, and following related accounts. 15 best Amazon products for this month. This gadget lets you measure curved objects, and it works up to 300 feet. This is a self-stirring glass that can mix your drinks automatically, and if you put dish soap in it, it basically cleans itself. These are rechargeable hand warmers that are magnetic, last up to 16 hours, and they can even charge your phone. This chair lets you sit in a few different ways to help your prostate, and it also makes working more fun. This gadget allows you to turn any AAA battery into a AA battery in case you run out. This is a handheld printer that lets you print custom text on any type of surface. This measuring cup has 19 different compartments, so you can use it for any recipe. This is a pizza slide that lets you easily grab pizza from the counter. This is a travel pillow that you can fill up with clothes so you have more storage when you go on vacation. This is a cable zipper that holds all of your cords together, and it turned my desk from this to this. This snack bowl fits perfectly on your Stanley cup and has 4 different compartments. By doing this, you signal to Instagram and TikTok that you're a real user, not a spam account, and the algorithm will reward you by pushing your content further once you start posting. Step 5. Posting the reels. Now comes the fun part. Start creating and posting short reels with strong hooks. Each video should grab attention in the first 3 seconds, deliver quick value, and end with a call to action that encourages people to check the link in your bio. On Instagram, you can add your clickable link immediately. On TikTok, you'll need around 1,000 followers before you can add it. But don't worry, with consistent posting, you'll reach that milestone quickly, and that's it. With these 5 steps, you've built a system that drives traffic, builds trust, and converts viewers into customers. So now, the big question is, if such a simple strategy can generate between $100 to $600 a day, what's really holding you back from starting today? And with that, we've reached the end of this tutorial. But remember, watching alone won't change anything. The real results begin the moment you take action. Choose your offer, set up your landing page, and start posting those reels consistently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it so more people can benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Explorer for more strategies, insights, and tools to help you succeed online. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. This is AI Explorer, guiding you towards smarter ways of making money online. Until next time, stay curious, stay consistent, and keep exploring new opportunities.